Hello everyone. So a couple of days ago, I posted this on LinkedIn that I created a Microsoft Fabric workspace automation using a web app and also a n8n workflow. And many of you actually showed interest to know about it in details. So in this playlist, I'm actually going to explain you one step after another on how to get started with n8n, how to set up the whole workflow in your computer, and how to automate your Microsoft Fabric workspace creation. Fast forwarding someday, I actually released this video on my YouTube channel that is called Microsoft Fabric and n8n Together is Madness. And then I actually released this video. And in this video, I just talked about or I demonstrated how this n8n and this web app is actually seamlessly creating the whole workspace with necessary lakehouses, warehouses, and also notebooks, plus those notebook codes are getting executed. That is eventually creating the tables inside lakehouses. So you can actually go through this video to see the demonstration. And after that, you can get started with this video where I'm going to start with creating an account in n8n. To get started, we will go to this website n8n.io and we are going to create an account here, free account in this website. So if I click on the get started and we just have to give our necessary informations and we're just going to click on start free 14-day trial. Now we just have to fill up some random questions by them. Now it's just prompting to invite team members. We do not have team members, so just skip. And now our n8n workspace is actually ready. So make sure to save this link. So this will be different for your account. So just make sure to bookmark this. So you can actually enter the workspace you are currently now. So when you are in the workspace, so at first we will click on create workflow. So in the workflow, you can actually add many different triggers, many different items like on app event. It has many tools, many triggers, lots of items. It has schedule, it has webhook item, from submission, and many more things. If you have some free time, you can actually check many videos on YouTube to play around with n8n. But at the moment, we actually do not, or you actually do not need to create this complex workflow from the very beginning. You just go to the website that is datacrafters.io/FabricForge, or you can just navigate to resources and then go to FabricForge. And here you will find the workflow, download n8n workflow. Just click on this link, then it will open a Google Drive, and from that Google Drive you can just click here to download. So the JSON file. So this one is the workflow kind of a template file. So it actually got downloaded. Now in the workflow, you will click on this uh, option and then you click on import from file and just select the n8n workflow. And as you can see, the whole workflow just got imported in your computer instantly. All right. It actually got here instantly. Now we can move on to setuping uh, the workflow.